Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Oakley model, limit switch OX5121 in color code 01. It's a Satan black color frame. On the temples here we have an Oakley emblem in silver. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the Oakley logo in black on the left lens. The style of the frame is full rim rectangular, and this frame is RXable. Up here we have an Oakley gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a dust bag, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.